on this here episode of Big's Build Hot Rods, we're going to try to cut the panel truck down to fit on this thing. I did get the A-pillars all cut back. Rockers are all gone back to the inner rocker. I should be just about what I need to cut on this. I mean, I'm sure there's going to be a little bit of trimming. I could trim a little bit there maybe, but I think I'm pretty close. This truck's got to go pretty much all the way to the dash. So it's going to be a little bit challenging to weld the top half of this. But it'll be alright. Rockers are going on this side all the way to the inner. We have plenty of room down at the bottom down here. It's just right here at the top is where the 60, it's got the what I call the knee knocker window, and it's pretty tight right there. It's like 59 and a half, I think. And if we got it, we just got it. And hopefully we won't have to do no trimming on the dash. She's right there. So yeah, but next we're gonna clean the rest of this shop up and get this car out, and we'll bring the panel truck in and start chopping it up on this episode. So stay tuned, keep it watching, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And all right, man, we'll be right back with you. Well, we got the panel truck in. We had to push it. It didn't want to start. I think it got bad ground on it, but it's snowing, cold. I wasn't trying to mess with it. But now, right now, we're trying to take these fender bolts out, which, as you can see, I don't know if you can see or not. Let me get a light here. Yeah, hard to see. It's down in there. See it down there? One there. I got this one off already. Fun spot in the door jamb holes. So we're starting to take the fenders loose so we can take this front clip off, get it out of the way. Then we're just twisting, you know, probably gonna have to cut some of this stuff. It's Lord knows when it was put on. I know the tag on this was I think 1990 or 91. Let's take a look. Yeah, 1991. Last time this thing was on the road, I'm assuming, unless someone just put a tag on it. But yeah, here we go. We got it in the shop. We're gonna start ripping her apart. I mean, this truck, definitely needs some body work. As you see, it's had a dent there, and bottom of the doors are rusted, and a little bit of the fenders. But I don't mind. It's cool. I like it. So here we go. We'll get back with you guys when we get a little further. She's running. Got a little valve chatter. It's been setting for, I guess, 6 months without starting. I think she'll quieten up. See if the full pressure gauge works on it. I don't even know. Oh yeah. Got a little, not much. Might order to check the oil. I didn't even check it. Hook my cool wire up there. Good that thing starts. Oh, it's full. She's got a chatter and she ain't got the best oil pressure. I want to put this in my 29, but now I'm kind of wondering. It wasn't chattering like that back in the summer when I started it. Now she's got pretty good oil pressure. I mean, not great, but better than it was. What do you think of this goofy mess? That's the way they put this thing on that Cadillac. That's the main reason I'm changing it. Seat sets in the back. Look at that. How far it is back. That's the craziest stuff. But yeah, she's running. She runs. I think I'm gonna pull it up a little bit and try to get it away from my wood stove. She's a little warm back there, bud. Yeah. But it's actually an oil burner, so waste oil. I got two of them in this shop. We got this one up here and the other one. So yeah, let me move this thing forward. Catters pretty much went away now. I think it pumped the lifters up. Ain't set in a while. Got, you know, half decent oil pressure, like 30 pounds. Looks like it's got a little bit of blow by going on there. But for a 72, 472, I think it's a 72 roughly. 472 Cadillac. She ain't bad. Yeah. Let's turn the ignition off here. Nice. She didn't like that, did it? See how it starts back up. It'll work. Might be a little warm. I don't even know if there's water in it. I let it run for probably, I don't know, good, probably 5 or 10 minutes. It wasn't too long. But, yep, she runs. I'm back to tearing it apart. Well, let's see if we can struggle and see if the front end will come off. It's not molded. We should be able to get it off. Maybe not by myself, but I'm going to try. Snippity snip. Same thing over here on this darn mat. I didn't think the mat was attached to it, but it is. Big ass rock over here anyway. Ender there. Let me show you this fancy core support they had. Yep, it's a 2x4. Yep, that was this plate between these little channels right here they had in there for body mounts. It was just rotten 2x4. Lord knows, I mean, like I said, it was off the road since '91, I think it was. But, yeah, that was your big body mounts. Great. Let me get a light and we'll take a little better look here. What did I do with the light? Lost it. You see the dog leg is pretty gone on this side. Oh, right here's one of them. Other than that dog leg, which I can, I can fix that. That ain't that big of a deal. That side ain't that bad. This one's about the same way. This one might be a little better, really. The side of the panel truck's definitely better. Just the bottom of the door and the bottom of the fender. So, yeah. You seen me struggle getting that off. These little rubber mats they got aluminum under them and had them bolted. I didn't think they was bolted to that, but they was. The struggle is real. You guys can watch me suffer, hopefully laugh at me, enjoy it, tell me how to do it right, something. If you guys want to tell me how, just put it in the comments. All right, well, we'll get to the next step and I'll get back with you. to the front of the wheel wells now on both sides. I might have a little spot there to hit and a little spot here. But all the way up to the back of the seat, it's pretty much loose. Now I gotta pull this big heavy seat out of the way and cut that. But that'll probably be tomorrow. I'm about done for the day. I gotta refill my oil heater up on the other end. It's run out. This one here, I have a big tank hook to, a 275 gallon or 250 gallon drum hook to it running in. But the other one, I'm only doing 5 gallon at a time. So anyway, we'll be back with you tomorrow and keep on keeping on. Get to cutting. Oh, got the seat out. Some of the wood that they had in here. You see over there how they had it. Now I'm going to start cutting the rest down the wheel well and across here. I'll put you guys on time lapse. I'll let you watch that. Sorry about the noise. My son's over there grinding on his truck. But yeah, I'll put you guys on time lapse and you can watch it. Well, I think I got this thing all cut apart. Excuse my voice, I've been hacking and carrying on here. This is the best I got right now, so. Yeah, I got it all cut apart. I'm sure the people that are purists are gonna hate me right now because I cut the dash right down the center. I'm gonna try to save the top half to put on over top the Crown Vic dash. But we'll see, I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. This 60 is a little bit narrower than the 62 to 66 or 61 to 66. But yeah, I cut it right down the middle. I'm trying to save this top half from this line up. I'll clean that up once I get the body off. But I got it cut all the way down. She's free. Let's see. Yeah, she's free all the way. Free all the way around in there. I think she's ready to pull. So next step is get it out on the gantry and lift this thing up, see if it's going to go or not. See how much I forgot to cut. That's a good one. So yeah, we'll get it up off of there, and then after it's up, that'll probably be the end of the second part. And then we'll start fitting it to the Crown Vic. Let's see how much hate I can get for the hillbilly hackery. Yep, I cut it right down the center. Right halfway up the dash. I'm only going to use the top half of the dash if possible. So I'm sure that you guys are going to love me for this one. So put it in the comments. Let's see what everybody thinks. You know, it's my truck when it comes down to it, and this is kind of how I wanted to do it. I want to save at least part of the original dash. I'm really not into like taking the whole dash out of the Vic and making it mount behind the dash of this, and I'm doing this in a you know, I only have a couple months in the winter to do this, so I'm trying to get it done. Well, I got her up in there almost high enough to pull the chassis out from under. I don't know if you can see in the time lapse, but I was having trouble with the chain fall. I had this one up there and it just kept locking up from, I guess, sitting outside, needs oil real good. So I changed this one out and now it's working. I've pretty close to got it up high enough to be able to pull out. Let's get around here. As you can see, more of my hillbilly hackery. This is how I do things here. When you ain't got a lift, you do it the old school way. And really, this is fancy compared to the other one we did. The other one, we just jacked it up little at a time and put 55-gallon drums under it and 4x4s. I picked this gantry up, if you want to call it a gantry. It's a homemade one. And it seems to be working all right. Like I said, I mean, it ain't perfect, but it's working. Yeah, what do you think of all the body bushing deals they had? Everything was wood, 2x4. They have some plywood floors. It's like a mile away. But we're getting close. The one corner's down a little bit. If I get it up, I think I can pull this thing out from under there. But I don't know that I got enough reach left. Only got about 6 or 8 inches up there. But we'll keep you guys in here and we'll see it when we get her up. Give you another little view from this side. We're close. This side's over the tire. This one is just a little low. I think we can lift it by hand enough as I pull it out. Wait on my son to get here to help me out so he can lift it as I'm pulling the chassis out. Which it really does still run. I could drive it out, but I'm just gonna pull it with my van. So here we go. We'll get it. Won't be long. We'll be setting the Vic down on this thing, or this on the Vic. I mean, be getting there before long. All right, here we go. We're gonna see what happens. Got 5 foot. All right, you're tight. Hold up. already hitting back here.
Man.
I did think about four-wheel driving it.
You know F-150 lift kits work on a Crown Vic?
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, you heard of it, see? Don't take much. Alright. Then there's a little bracket or something to get. Alright. Alright, hold up. Go ahead. Hold up. Hold up. Alright. Hold up. Turn the radio down. Go ahead. Go. Go. Go ahead. Go. Sell that Chevy. Hold up. I think them tough wires got them. Yeah, them wires that are cut. Yeah, they ain't cut.
I see. I could literally see it bonding.
Well, I was swinging it, but I didn't think about them wires that you said were cut.
Give me cut. Let's go in.
It's cutters for the cut wires. One stop is going out the wheel well.
Struggle is real.
If I turn it, it goes out the wheel well. That's why I was turning. Hitting it more hurt. Go like a couple feet, and then you gotta get out of the steer wheel. It's a whole new truck. Back her up. That thing
Oh,
is-
you're talking with your $60,000 truck.
I'm trying to fix that. That's why I'm trying to put my tires on today.
Got the steer.
Where you want to put it?
Right here where it's at.
It's definitely the safest thing I've ever been in. Not really. They're flat, a little hard. Start pulling. Yeah, I think that's good. Hey, I get 2 stream loads a year, Dad.
Well, it's off of there after struggling. We did kind of run this chassis through the scrap pile, but it'd be all right. Most of it's scrap anyway. Van was struggling in the mud hole. So, but that's gonna be it for this episode. Next episode, you'll see this setting down on the Crown Vic. All right, till the next one, you guys hit like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell so you know I'm posting the video, and we'll see you next time.